Hi and welcome to a 111 product review.
Let's take a look at the LP Series 111 aluminium truck boxes. The range has 4 to choose from in 950, 1250, 1550 and 1770 millimeters long. The advantage of these boxes is they are not as high as most aluminium boxes, and it's got a flush finish. They're all fully welded for extra strength and durability. Each box includes 2 T-locks, keyed alike. However, the LP 950 only has 1 T-lock. When you look at the inside of the box, there's plenty of room to store all sorts of tools and equipment. Included with that are 2 gas struts to hold the lid and a rubber seal all around the edge to make the box weatherproof. Along the back of the box is a fully concealed stainless steel piano hinge. This gives a flush look, but also makes the box far more secure. Again, these boxes are fully welded for that extra strength needed.
If you'd like to know more about the product shown or any of the other products in the 111 range, please visit www.1-11.com.au.